What's up guys, this is Ron from Ronan. For today's video, I am really excited to do it in front of you. This is to unbox the all-new product from Infinix, the Infinix Note 60 Pro. Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 5G performance platform. This is the most advanced sa Android community or sa Android tech. The introductory price of this product is around 22,000, but we just got it for 17,900 plus with delivery fee. So we purchased it sa Shopee, and then they had this event last April 22, 8 p.m. So if you purchase by that time, it will be 17,800 plus na lang. Dumating na sa atin in a span of 3 to 4 days delivery. And we have this freebies worth of 5,000 pesos. So this is the Watch H5 Pro from Infinix as well. And we have two stickers, phone stickers, and we have a free Globe LTE 5G SIM card. So we got this in just a one box parcel. Sobrang sealed, super sealed. So without further ado, let's unbox first our phone. I'm really excited about this. So I was choosing between Mist Titanium and Mocha Brown. But our friend Charlie chose the Mist Titanium, and I am really planning to get the Mocha Brown kasi medyo social siya for me, no? So tara, buksan na natin. So we chose the 12 plus 256 specifications because this is more future-proof than the 8 plus 256. I don't know. I am not a professional in Android industry, but based on my research, so pinaka the best is, or future-proof is 12 plus 256. So it's around 3,000 plus difference between the two. So tinake na natin yon para kahit pa paano, if upgrade or mag-update yung mga apps, after 5 to 6 years, mabilis pa rin yung phone natin. Grabe. Ang bango. Hindi ko alam kung amoy Infinix o amoy Snapdragon. Wow. So we have two boxes here. So this is the free Infinix MagPad. So this is a charger. 30 watts magnetic charger. We will unbox it later. And this is the phone itself. So tara, open natin. First off, we have here this one. I think andito yung manual sa loob. Okay, so we have this SIM ejector, and we have this Qualcomm license. We have manual, of course, and warranty card. Infinix warranty card. Here we also have this transparent, I think this is a jelly case, a hard jelly case with MagSafe here. So we have here the power cord. So this is from Note 60 series. I guess this is 90 watts. So this is type C. This is a super fast charger. And then we have here a charger adapter. So this is type C as well. Oh, sorry, USB pa. Okay, so this is 90 watts charger adapter. And we have this phone. So check natin. Wow. Grabe. Wow. Really look.
It's mansanas.
Grabe, sobrang ganda. It looks like mansanas phone. Yung likod, oh. Wow. So, meron siya dito sa likod, yung parang graphics. But, hindi ko pa kasi siya nasa-set up since gusto ko yung Android apps ko and settings is malagay ko na siya dito para to save me time. So, I am sorry. Siguro I will do another video of all the features and specifications of this phone, Note 60 Pro. But overall, yung physical look pa lang sobrang ganda. And ang ganda ng, basta solid. Kasi yung gilid niya aluminum. Sakto, same sa mga mansanas before, no? Actually, may mansanas 15 Pro Max. Ganito rin yung sidings. Aluminum. And then, this one is glass. Thank you, Infinix. This is a wonderful phone. I hope na it can last up to 5 years kasi 5 years tayo magpapalit ulit ng Android phone natin. Guys, this is my Xiaomi phone. So this is the Note 10 Pro and this is my all-new Infinix Note 60 Pro. So I just want to save my time on setting up a new phone. That's why yan, i-connect natin. Bigla na lang siya nag-pop up, no, na merong new phone to be set up using a QR code. So yan guys, nag-set up na siya. If you have questions guys, you can comment down below and I will happily answer it.